Students at UC Davis were planning to return to on-campus learning tomorrow, but now that date has been pushed back. ABC 10's Jay Kim joins us from the UC Davis campus. Jay, what have you learned from the school and students there?
And good evening, Ananda. Well, nearly 7,000 people signed that online petition, and now UC Davis students are set to continue learning remotely until at least the end of the month. A surge in COVID cases in the community and on the campus of UC Davis have put many of their students on edge. According to the university's COVID-19 dashboard, over 1,300 people on campus have tested positive for the virus between December 31st and January 8th.
We should not be rushing back to in-person on Monday when so many people are COVID positive.
Coming out of winter break, the university initially planned on moving classes online for 1 week with a return to in-person learning on Monday, but many students had health and safety concerns, disagreeing with the rush to come back. Andy Note, a fourth-year UC Davis student, is among the thousands who signed their name on the online petition. Although he doesn't agree with the full extent of what's in it, he does agree that classes should remain online until cases start to trend downward.
I didn't want to go sit in class knowing that the people around me, there's a really good chance they're COVID positive, where I could get it, if I'm going lecture hall to lecture hall every day.
Thank you for sharing your concerns about our winter quarter plans. We are listening.
As the petition started to gain traction, UC Davis Chancellor Gary May released a video and statement last Thursday on the university's website announcing that virtual learning will now continue until January 28th due to high positivity rates related to the Omicron variant.
We will always consider the safety and well-being of our students, faculty, and staff as our top priority.
Note says although we all have to learn to live with COVID, part of that is making life modifications during big spikes.
And it's not going to be permanent, but I think, sometimes we're going to need to make these changes.
And back out here live on the scene, you can see things are pretty quiet here on the UC Davis campus tonight. Now, the chancellor is expected to provide another update this upcoming Friday.